All right, I'm here with.
Bruce,
And how did you hear about Absolute Heating and Cooling?
my oldest son used you guys for installation of a new furnace.
Okay. And what was your experience with the Absolute install crew?
The install crew is great. No concerns at all. Everybody hustled, did a lot of great work. Everybody worked well together.
Thank you. And would you recommend us to our friends and family?
I'd recommend you guys in a minute. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Appreciate that.
Okay.